wrap up safe and warm, and find our comfort in each other's loving arms. And it won't be long till summer comes. Time by the fire's nearly done. Now every day the sky is smiling down. I won't forget that winter sun that helped us carry on. It's been cold for years, at least that's how it seems. If winter hadn't come, would we still praise the sun? Well, it's been